In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp web shortcut on Google Chrome. This practical trick is perfect for those of us who frequently use WhatsApp web for messaging and video calls but want a quicker way to access it. By the end of this guide, you'll have a neat shortcut placed directly on your Chrome browser's homepage, ready to launch WhatsApp web with just a single click. Let's dive in. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser. It's important to note that this trick only works within Chrome, given its ability to add web shortcuts directly to your desktop or browser's homepage. Now navigate to the official WhatsApp web page. You can do this by typing web.whatsapp.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page fully loads, you're ready for the next step. Now while you're still on the WhatsApp web page, look for the Add Shortcut option. On Chrome, this can be usually found in the browser's settings or more tools section, sometimes represented by three dots or lines located at the top right corner of the window. However, the placement and labeling might vary slightly depending on your version of Chrome. Clicking on this Add Shortcut option will initiate the process of creating your new shortcut. After clicking Add Shortcut, a small pop-up window will appear prompting you to name your new shortcut. Here's where you can get a bit personal. You can name it simply WhatsApp Web or anything else that resonates with you. Maybe something fun like Chat Hub. Just ensure the name you choose is one you'll instantly recognize as your gateway to WhatsApp Web. After typing in your chosen name, you're moving on to the most crucial part. Within the same pop-up window, you will see a field to add a URL. It should automatically populate with the WhatsApp Web URL. But if not, simply type in https://web.whatsapp.com/again. It's crucial to double check this part, as ensuring the correct URL means your shortcut will lead you exactly where you want to go. Once you've confirmed the URL is correct, hit the Done button. This action finalizes the creation of your new shortcut. And just like that, you've created a shortcut to WhatsApp Web on your Google Chrome browser. Depending on your Chrome settings and version, this shortcut can appear on your browser's homepage, your desktop, or within Chrome's app menu. Now, whenever you feel the need to quickly check your messages or start a new conversation, your WhatsApp web is just a click away, saving you the hassle of maneuvering through bookmarks or typing the URL manually each time. A few additional tips to enhance your experience. First, if you find yourself not using the shortcut as much as you expected or need to update it, managing and editing shortcuts in Chrome is straightforward. Simply right-click on the shortcut if it's on your desktop, or look for the Edit option if it's on the browser's homepage to make any changes. Second, consider the security of your WhatsApp web sessions. Always log out if you're using a shared or public computer to protect your messages and personal information. Lastly, this simple yet effective method not only works for WhatsApp web, but can also be applied to create shortcuts for any frequently visited websites, making your online life a bit more organized and accessible. Whether it's your email, favorite news site, or a work tool, the process is the same, and the benefits are just as valuable. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on creating a WhatsApp web shortcut in Google Chrome. This little hack is a game changer for frequent users of WhatsApp web, offering a seamless and speedy way to stay connected. So go ahead, give it a try, and see just how much quicker you can jump into your conversations. Thanks for watching this guide, and happy chatting.